Sir Trill has found himself at the center of a heated social media debate after suggesting that many Amapiano vocalists have copied his signature style, even though he insists he has never once complained about his style being taken. The statement alone was enough to spark mixed reactions online, with some fans feeling he was throwing shade while others accused him of rewriting history. Social media users were quick to push back, arguing that the vocal style Sir Trill is referring to was actually created by Something Soweto long before Amapiano went mainstream. And many questioned why Something has never publicly complained despite his influence being widely acknowledged. As the debate gained momentum, Sir Trill began facing backlash, with critics saying he was claiming ownership over a sound that doesn't belong to him alone, while his supporters defended him by pointing out his undeniable contribution to shaping the emotional, melodic side of Amapiano vocals. The conversation has since turned into a bigger discussion about originality, credit, and who truly deserves recognition in the ever-evolving Amapiano style.